Hey guys, Will the Boy here. I just got a brand new mouse, so I decided to do a bit of an unboxing video. This is the ON 6-button wireless mouse with quick scroll wheel. Here's all the features on the back for any nerds who want to read them. So, it comes with the mouse itself in this nice cloth bag. It's actually quite the beefy mouse. Boom. So it has side buttons. This top button here. You have a metal scroll wheel, your two standard buttons. A whole host of slide pads on the bottom. This thing actually has Bluetooth mode as well. The instructions, I don't need those. And nice feature, this thing actually comes with a battery pre-installed. So, this is what I'm going to be using from now on for my videos. The other mouse was not in the best condition. I hope you enjoy this.